Hi everyone, welcome back to this week's Bake Along. I hope you're all well and staying safe. So today we're going to be trying something a little different. We're going to be doing a vegan recipe. So we're going to be making chocolate and almond vegan cookies. So let me start by telling you the ingredients that you'll need. 43 grams of caster sugar, 112 grams of soft brown sugar, 20 grams of cacao powder, salt, 105 grams of plain flour, 112 grams of dark vegan chocolate, baking powder, 40 grams of flaked almonds crushed up a little, golden syrup, 40 milliliters of water, 72 grams of almond butter, and 65 grams of coconut oil. So let's get started. What you're going to do is put your caster sugar into your bowl. Then you're going to put your brown sugar into the bowl. Ooh, let's make sure we get it all out. And then we're going to put in our almonds. And then we're going to sieve our cacao and flour in. All done. So now we're going to add half a teaspoon of bicarb. So now we're going to add 4 grams of salt. So just a little sprinkle. And now we're going to add in our dark chocolate. Don't worry, all vegan friendly. So now what we're going to do is add our wet ingredients into one bowl. So we're going to add our water. And then 100 grams of golden syrup. Be careful because this is really sticky. So I'm just going to weigh it into my bowl. So now we're going to add 65 grams of coconut oil. So now we're going to add 72 grams of almond butter. Give this a stir. Now we're going to add our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. Trying to keep it all in the bowl. Now I'm going to start to use my to bring it together to form a dough. So now our dough is all fully mixed together and in a ball. We're going to make some smaller balls and rub them together. And then gently press them down in your hands. Just very gently. And pop them on our baking tray. For a baking tray of this size, I put about 4 on. You don't want them all forming together and you get one large cookie, so they need their space. I'm just going to pop them in the oven at temperature of 180 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. So here are my finished cookies. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoy baking and stay safe. Here is a picture of my finished bake. See you next time. Thank you for watching.